Today we're looking at this smart sprinkler controller from ImoLaza, and wow, am I impressed. To start, we're going to unbox it here and I'll tell you a little bit about it while we're doing so, but I'll also show you how to remove your old panel and install this new one. So spoiler alert, it's very simple. For starters, the app is incredibly user-friendly. It has a very clean, sleek design which matches the controller's minimalistic look. Obviously, with the name Smart in the title, this is Wi-Fi enabled and controllable from anywhere. So if you head out on vacation and need to adjust it, you absolutely can. This thing, frankly, can do it all from analyzing the weather to adjusting for seasons, tracking water usage, creating schedules, allowing pictures and notes in the app to identify different zones around your house. I mean, really, they have thought of it all. Overall, I'm very impressed with it, and let's go ahead and get right into removing the old panel. We'll start by shutting off the power, and you can do that at the breaker. It's either a flip or a pull switch, something that looks like this. After that, you'll want to ensure that the power is off. Something like a voltage tester is a good tool for this. After that, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you'll loosen the housing from where the wires are placed, and then simply pull them out. These are your different zones and sensors. Each system is going to be a little bit different, so your system might not look exactly like this. When in doubt, refer to the manual and the instructions, as well as your actual system and what you have already hooked up. Next, we're going to disconnect the power by removing the ground, the neutral, and the hot wires. Again, testing that it's off with the voltage tester. Once we've loosened the wire caps, we'll remove the conduit that's holding the wires in place. We'll simply unscrew the collars on these, and then the panel may lift directly off like this one here, or you may need to unscrew it if it's screwed into the wall. Just depends what yours looks like. Now after that, we're simply going to reverse engineer what we just did. We're going to open the power box on the new cover. We'll reconnect the green, which is the ground, the white, which is the neutral, and the black, which is the hot wires. You can use the template or simply eyeball it like I did here. We'll use the anchors and the screws to mount the box. After that, we'll reconnect the conduit tubes that's holding the wires. Screw down the collars to make sure it's secure. And then reconnect our ground, neutral, and hot. After that, we'll plug in the power supply from the controller to the actual power. Then we'll plug in the controller, secure the panel back to the cover, and then we'll reattach all of our zones. After that, we'll attach the faceplate back to the controller. After that, we'll turn the power back on, and we're ready to start configuring it with our app. Getting set up on the app and the Wi-Fi was incredibly easy. All we had to do was put in our password and we were connected to the Wi-Fi within minutes. The app asks a few basic questions like your location at the beginning when you're getting set up, and then after that you are ready to begin using it. This is an example of what they call the quick run. You can set it for any duration that you want and start running your sprinklers immediately. This is great for testing different zones and different heads to make sure that everything is working correctly. And you can shut it off from here just as easily. You can add pictures and notes of your zones to help you remember which area of your lawn is controlled by which zone. And you can set up your run schedules any way that you want in order to basically not have to ever think about your lawn maintenance and your watering ever again. They have smart season adjustments, they have automated watering, smart cycle and soaking, smart weather skipping. So basically, you can set this up to adjust to whatever season and whatever climate you're living in. The ImoLaza Smart Controller considers all types of factors like plant type, soil type, sprinkler type, your slope, how much wind there is on a given day, how much sunlight there is on a given day, to actually give you really precise watering durations for each zone. It then adjusts the frequency based on real-time algorithms, so eliminating the guesswork and the water waste. Overall, I am a huge fan of this ImoLaza Smart Sprinkler Controller. Incredibly easy to use, incredibly easy to install, set up, and operate. I'm a very big fan. So if you're in the market for something like this, I know you will not be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. And as always, I hope this was helpful and have a wonderful day.